Hi, I am about to show you one of my favorite features in Canva, and that is the background remover. I'm going to show you how to remove the background of any photo or video. The videos, however, have to be 30 seconds or less, which is kind of limiting, but still very cool. So I'm going to actually start by creating a blank presentation, and this is just going to be a 16 by 9 presentation. And I am going to find the picture or image that I want to remove the background from. So envision this being maybe some pictures of individual students or your entire class. You're going to be able to take the picture anywhere in a classroom and be able to remove the background as if it were like a green screen activity. So no need for the green screen. We could just work in Canva. I'm going to go to my uploads and I'm going to select the photo that I want to remove the background from. Now, I also want to be super aware of the fact that it might avoid removing the background. Like, for instance, this little corner, it might recognize that as part of your main image. So, to avoid that and to make sure that I only have my people included here, I'm going to crop. So, I just double clicked and I just drag the corner up. And now if I click off the image, that little piece of the couch will be removed. So I have my three gentlemen here. They're standing in a living room, and now I'm going to transport them to Egypt. To do that, I click on my image and I go to edit photo, and I use Magic Studio. I love Magic Studio. There are a bunch of different tools within Magic Studio that we're going to explore later in the workshop. But today we're going to focus on, for our quick tip, just the BG remover. And when I click that, it's going to take a few seconds and it's going to remove all of the mumbo jumbo. And the only thing that's going to be left is that main image, those three gentlemen right there. Now I need a background to put behind them. And I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to start first with an actual picture behind them, like a static image. And I'm going to look for a picture of ancient Egypt or the pyramids. And I actually really like this photo right here. If I want to see more, I can always arrow over or go to see all and scroll down. And the Canva library is super vast. So I'm going to drag this one in to my presentation, and then I'm going to kind of expand that so it's there. And now you'll notice that my three guys are covered by this picture. So if you remember in the layering pro tip video, if I click on position and I go to layers, I can drag this down or I could drag them up so that they are on top. There we go. They are on top of the background. And I can drag them around and put them anywhere in here I would like them to be. I'm also going to add some text here, and I'm just going to use a heading. And Canva will, with the amazing predictability tools that they have in AI, they can actually see what background you've chosen and select the color of the typeface. So it's changing mine here to white. So I'm going to keep that, my trip to Egypt, and I can use my arrow here to kind of drag it anywhere on my image. So there I have a static image in the background, and I have my background removed image here. Now I can actually take this and download this to any other app that I would like. So let's say I wanted to make a cover for a book creator book or use this picture somewhere else. I can actually go to share and scroll down to download, and that's where I would either download it as a PNG or a JPEG image file. I could even, if I had motion in the background, make it a GIF. So you can take this and you can even do this. So let's say I'm going to backtrack and I just want the image without any kind of background. Like I want to put this in a Google slideshow, or I want to put this in Book Creator or somewhere else where I'm going to have a different image. I can leave this as is and then just scroll down and download. Like I did before, I can download this image with the white background. which won't show up. It'll just be this particular image that will be downloaded. And the background will be completely removed. So when I upload it to Book Creator or whatever app, Lumia, whatever app I'm using, it will be the image with the background removed. So for all intents and purposes, you could just use Canva, bring the image, upload it into Canva like I did here. I have just a picture that I uploaded from Google Photos, and you could actually just bring it into a Canva presentation or a logo, remove the background, download it, and then use it without the background wherever it is you want to upload it. So that's an option too. So now I want to show you how to put a video behind these guys. So I go back to Elements. Remember, I had my static picture there before, my photos. I want to go to videos, and I'm going to scroll down because there's a specific video I want of these camels here, and I'm going to drag that in, and there we go. Go to position and then switch my layers, and there we go. They are actually here in front. Now, if I wanted to, and I didn't want to go through the step of layering, I could bring that video in first as my bottom layer and then upload my picture, and then I wouldn't have to go through the step of layering. But for just the sake of this video, I wanted to show you how it worked. And then again, I can still go to my elements and select any background that I want in terms of a video, but I like this one, and then go to my text and add my heading in, and I can do my trip to Egypt, and you'll see this time, because of the color of my background in my video, that Canva has made my heading black. So now I'm going to show you what this looks like when I present it. And I go to present, and there they are. There's the pyramids in the background and some camels walking around, and just kind of a fun way to put a background behind your students if you so choose. I want to also just quickly show you how to do this with a video. So I'm going to go home, and I want to show you, I'm going to grab another, just a non-titled presentation here. Now, instead of an image that I've uploaded, I'm going to go to a video, and I'm going to search for just a video of myself that I can remove the background from. And let's do this 21-second one. Just drag it in there, clearly in my kitchen. And I want a background that is behind me as I'm talking in my video. And let's say I want to go to look for something with sharks. I want swimming with sharks. I'm going to go to a video because I want a video behind me. And let's see, that one looks kind of cool. So I'll drag that in to, let's see, and resize that. Okay. Drag that up a little bit. And again, I'm going to have to layer it based on the order in which I worked. So drag that down, and I'm going to click on my video and go to edit video this time instead of edit photo. And I'm going to click on background remover to show you how that works. And when you are removing the background of a video, it might take a little bit longer because it's removing the background from the duration of the video. I also just wanted to show you too, if I go here, there are filters you can use, a bunch of different filters to enhance your video. You can do grayscale or black and white or warm tones, solar, so all different options too. But my background is removed, and now when I go to present here, you'll see what this has done. And there I am with some sharks swimming behind me. So those are two ways to remove background from video and images to kind of make your photo experience or your video experience more dynamic and interesting. And you can actually just align this with pretty much anything you're teaching, and integrate pictures of students in your class with various backgrounds. And they could even design their own as well.